Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be installing a low-frequency inverter, 1500 watts, in this DIY home experiment. We'll be taking a close look at the process, the components needed, and how it all works together to create a safe and efficient power system. First things first, let's gather our materials. We'll need 1. Inverter 1500 watts. 2. Voltage stabilizer. 3. Energy efficiency transformer. 4. Grounding system. 5. Safety switches. 6. Electronic load. Now that we're all set, let's move on to the installation process. First, we'll need to ensure that our voltage stabilizer is properly connected to the inverter and the transformer. The inverter should be connected to the mains, while the transformer should be connected to the stabilizer. Next, we need to secure the inverter and the transformer to prevent any vibrations or movement that could cause damage. We do this by using screws and brackets. Once that's done, we can now connect the electronic load to the inverter. Make sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct voltage and amperage. Lastly, we'll ground the system properly. This is crucial for safety and to prevent any electrical hazards. We'll do this by connecting the system to a grounding point, such as a metal pipe in the wall. And there you have it. Now we can turn on the inverter and see how it works. The inverter will draw power from the mains and then convert it to the voltage needed for the electronic load. This will ensure that our device gets the power it needs without any losses. That's it for today's video, folks. We hope you found this installation process helpful. Remember to always follow safety guidelines when working with electrical components. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY home experiments and tutorials. Thanks for watching.